Hola. Durante su discurso sobre el estado de la nación, el presidente Marcos hizo lo que ningún otro presidente se había atrevido a hacer: romper con el status quo. El mundo entero presentó a un líder sincero que demostró fortaleza a través de la serenidad. Personalmente, vi un líder global fuerte, dispuesto a cambiar las normas establecidas. Me siento muy orgulloso de ser filipino y de haber sido testigo de ese acontecimiento histórico que se recordará durante décadas y siglos. Quizás para entonces la humanidad ya haya llegado a Marte. Buenos días. Uh, Today, the Philippines and the world is actually a very busy one. We are jockeying for position who will be the leader in the artificial intelligence technology. And in doing that, there are a lot of hallucinations that's happening because I think uh, the technology companies are now focusing more on quantity rather than quality. And they need to slow down. They have to pause a little bit so that the quality will not be compromised. But that's good. And in this busy world, a lot of things are happening. I know there are some conflicts among nations, but hopefully we have global leaders who will work towards peace. And in the Philippines, we have this investigation going on with some of the infrastructure on that were substandard or or even uh, something that would merit a little deep dive so that those things will not happen again in the future. I think it's a process related. There should be a process related solution, definitely, and also a moral revisit, something like going back to our family values about love, about honesty, and integrity. Because an ordinary Filipino on a daily basis, we just love to work hard so that every Sunday they would have a family get together. And you know what? Maybe you can see that Filipinos, while they are already adults, over 18, in their 30s, or even in their 40s, 50s, they still live with their parents. It's not because they are too dependent, but it's because they want to care for their parents. It's actually embedded in our DNA that we don't leave our parents behind. We will be here always for them. We do not have any houses for them when they reach a certain age because we love them. And to quote the singer, what the world needs now is really love. All right. So thank you and welcome to the first video for the Filipino Spanish channel. And I hope to talk more about exciting things that will really showcase the Filipino culture to the world. Thank you.